San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for East Central San Bernardino County in Southern California until 9:45 p.m. PDT. At 6:43 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1.75 inches of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Yucca Valley, Joshua Tree Lake Campground, Joshua Tree in Morongo Valley,